Dude, it's like hitting a wall. Like it's a.
You sending a brag pic?
Pretty much.
Yeah, you have a pick a wrong tire. Yeah, that bitch
So
will
I
be
got
an
the
onion in
turbo
the middle.
timing and turbo degrees turned up, so like my tires right now are actually starting to pizza slice hard.
Oh, I bet.
So that's why I'm trying to get like this tire, like hard pound.
Right.
But I might have to just turn it down. I don't need all that power. I was just like,
code.
I was like, well, it's so cool because everything's on my phone, dog. With the Max 8 system, you don't need a B-Link.